cable this side. That's it. Just want to make sure that it sits properly in its place. And that's just about it. Alright, here's what I've done. As you can see, I've got some cotton bud here. I've used this to clean the inside. Well, another thing I could have done is to take out the fans by pressing on this two clip and taking it out, but just too lazy to do that. So I'm just going to be inserting it back here. And as I said, you need to be careful because of the liquid cable there. Alright, should go this way. Let me mount this up. Alright, I'm going to take out the RAID SSD card out, as I'm not going to be needing that any longer. There you go. There are two cards in there. So it is mounted on the RAID controller. And let's take a look at this. That's 128 GB and another 128 GB. So it's giving me just one of these because I'm using a RAID system here. Alright, and then the next thing is I'm going to remove this part and then exchange it with the new rack or with the new bay, so you want to put it. Alright, so to take this part out, just need to open this flap. See, this can be shown a bit clearer. This is the bay I want to take out. And once you open this flap on this green toy, just open it up, flap it up, and then you'll be able to take this out. And then I'm going to replace that part. This old master rack, this one, I'm sure you can see clearly, got all the bars there. This needs to be broken out, cut it out, and that goes in here, just right in there. Just slide it in. Perfect. Just like that. And that goes back in here. Just gonna slide it in. Just control it. There you go. And that's what I've got. But right now there's no SSD in there. So I'm gonna take it out again. Mount all the SSD that I want to use, run as RAID, mount it on top of it, close this back, that's it. Alright, this goes this way, pushing the hook, there you go. The system is almost back up.